Hey guys, Haz here, NZWindows. Today we're going to cover a short instructional series on how to make adjustments to your joinery to keep it operating at 100%. Bear in mind, this series is 100% information, so please only undertake these adjustments if you feel you are completely comfortable. We won't be held liable for anything that you do to your joinery. Today we'll cover how to remove and replace the wedges in your wedgeless sash handles on your awning and casement sashes. For this you're going to need a number 1 square drive screwdriver. Here we have an Erbo venting sash handle. These ones utilise a wedge as a part of the handle itself. So often we have customers report that we have broken wedges in here. So the primary cause for that is when they're being opened and closed and this handle isn't in the perfectly vertical position, and it comes in and it hits the frame here. Something's got to give and the metal parts of the handle aren't going to break, so the plastic parts do. So if you've got a flat that doesn't quite lift all the way back up, you can come into our showroom and we'll provide you a new one to replace free of charge. Let me show you how to replace those. So this is a venting handle, so this is operating correctly now. So when it's fully closed, that wedge folds down nicely, and on venting it stays up just like that. If that was to break, you'd find that the wedge would hang a little bit lower and might clash with the transom below the window, or it just doesn't move at all and it just swings in the breeze. So in order to replace a broken wedge, all we need to do is to first pop this cover up. It can be a bit sticky, which is great because it means they don't come off. So lift that off, and then you'll see that wedge just fits nicely in here. It's a bit hard to see, and then that just pops out. Then we offer our new wedge up. With the handle in a vertical position, you want to offer the wedge in just like that. So offer it in, put one end in, and then just push it in just like that. And then with the cover, just straight over the top, and it should just clip down nicely. Close your window, and you're good to go. If you're still having dramas after you've replaced that wedge in a sash handle, it's possible that some of the innards of that sash handle have broken. What that will mean is either you can take a photo of that handle or bring the whole handle into us. We can order you a replacement and is easily swapped out on site. Thanks for tuning in on how to replace a sash wedge. Please do check out our other instructional videos on how to maintain your joinery at home to keep things operating 100%. My name's Haz, and this has been an NZWindows instructional series.